Okay, so this is another 30,000 milliamp hour power bank, 30,000, that I got from Oraimo, and this one is supposed to be like a light version of this guy. So at first I was wondering why they would make a light version that is also 30,000 milliamp hour power bank, but then I said, okay, let me just get it and experience how it works, and maybe I'll know what to say about it. So yeah, I just got it today and I'm going to unbox it in this video. But before I do so, normally I don't like watching videos of products that I'm about to review. But recently I watched an unboxing of a product that I recently unboxed, and the person that unboxed it showed a lot of things that were on the box. So maybe things on written down here, things that were here, everywhere on the box. And normally I don't do that in my unboxing videos. But I was wondering if you guys wanted to see something like that. So if you guys want that, then let me know in the comments and I'll start doing that. But if you guys are not interested in that like me, then yeah, we can just forget about all of that and just go straight into what is inside the box. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to be seeing stuff like that. And yeah, for this video, I'm not going to show you what's on the box. I'm just going to dig into it. Okay, so let's begin. I don't have a knife yet, so I use my hand to always peel off the first layer of protection. So far, this box doesn't feel as good as the other Oraimo boxes, but I can't complain because I think it is doing a good job at keeping the product safe. Alright, so I haven't noticed any seals on this one, so maybe they didn't create a seal for it. Alright, I'm going to open it from here. This is the part where I have issues. Okay, I didn't struggle this time, which is funny. Okay, so I'm going to slide it out this way. There we go. So there's nothing inside the box, as you can see, besides this one that I just removed. Alright, so first I'm going to start with the USB. So this is a Type-C USB cable. I'm not sure if it is focusing. As you can see, let's try it this way. It's a Type-C USB cable and it is very short. It is just like the other Oraimo cables that I've seen that come with the power banks. And the next is the power bank itself. And finally we have the manual. This one is very short. So normally you get manuals that look like a book, but this one is just one piece of paper. So that's why they call it the light version. Well, let's see what the power bank looks like now. Okay. Well, I'm going to be honest, I do not like the color, but it is not something that most people will be bothered about. But yeah, this is the power bank. This one doesn't have a screen. It only has this light indicators to tell you the battery percentage. So if I tap on the power button is here. It is currently at let's say 70%. You can see it's 3 out of 4. That's 75%. So I'm still going to have to charge it anyways. So at the top we have the touch light or the flashlight over here, and then we have 2 USB-A output ports, and then we have a Type-C port and micro USB port, compared to this one that has like 4 USB ports and 1 Type-C and 1 micro USB port. So to me it feels different. It doesn't feel like just normal plastic. It feels like the plastic has been worked on. It feels like glass and plastic. I don't even know how to describe it, but it doesn't feel, I wouldn't say it feels premium or cheap. I'll just say it feels like it is different. Maybe when I spend much time with it, I'll know how to describe it, but this is just what I'm thinking about right now. So over here it says 30,000 milliamp hours. The output is 15 watts. So I've made a video talking about how to measure the wattage of your power bank. So that is how I'm getting 15 watts. From here I can see that the Type-C port can be used to charge the power bank as well as be used to charge other devices. So if you have a USB C to C cord, then you can use it to charge your devices. So I guess that's all for this video. I'm going to be charging the power bank and then I'll I'm going to be making my review after using it for maybe a week or so. So if you guys have questions concerning the power bank, please leave them in the comments so that when I'm doing the final review, I'm going to answer your questions. And we are almost at 500 subscribers. So if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel so I can get to 500 subs. I hope I'll get to 500 before this month runs out. If not, then I'll just keep pushing. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.